Thank you. Just wanted to jump on here to show you what I picked up. First, this was a Goodwill in Sebastian. I know it's like some scary, like midsummer looking thing, but I figured if I painted it black or something, did something cool with it. And it's got this ledge that I could put my crystals on because I'm that bitch. And it also came with like the hanging stuff, screws. That's super rare. So that was only $4.99. Oh, sorry, baby. Say hello. Okay. Then, now this is another thing I'm going to like document. It's over there. So behind me, as you can see, I have no couch because I literally hate my couch that I bought. That's a whole different story. But what I want to do is get a couch, and the couch I'm looking at is like a light gray, and I feel like it's gonna like clash against these walls because it's like a similar color. So I'm gonna do an accent wall and paint the wall black. And I wanted to get these like style frames. Dude, these were $1. And I have all different sizes, all different designs. And I'm gonna paint them gold because I feel like that'll look cool against a black wall. So I've got this one. This one is so pretty. This is like a similar design to a smaller one, so I think that's really cool. So stay tuned for that. Hello. So, like I was saying, that project that I'm doing, I'm gonna paint this like midsummer scary looking thing. I'm gonna paint it black and put my crystals on it. So I'm going to tape off the mirror so that when I spray paint it black, it doesn't like mess up my mirror part. So that's what I'm doing right now. Why do they have to put the stickiest stickers that ever were to exist on things? Like, of course they don't put it on the back where no one's gonna see it. They put it like on the mirror. I'll figure that out later. Okay, now I'm gonna go over and make sure that all the mirror is covered and like in tight, so that's what she said, so that when I spray it, it doesn't get all over the mirror. Okay, and now there's the finished product. Just kidding. So now I'm gonna go outside and spray paint it black. First, I'm gonna clean it off. Make sure you dust your stuff before you paint it because then it's gonna look disgusting. Okay, now we're gonna go outside. Okay, so that didn't work. I I ran out of spray paint and I didn't even get me painting it in the shot. I'm still gonna post it because it's pretty funny to look at, but now I'm going to just use normal paint. So you get to watch that instead. And you can literally hear my dog barking in the background. It's fantastic. So that's what that crazy sound is. So I apologize. Okay, there's one coat. I actually like the paintbrush better because it makes it look kind of like antique-y. So in reality, you could leave it with just one coat, but I'm going for a more gothic, not antique-y look. So I'm gonna go for 2 coats, and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're back. Now I'm gonna do coat number 2, and if you hear any weird noises, it's my dog's grumble that he's playing with. Oh. And that was me talking to my dog, so that's what that is. And also you can hear that crazy sound. That is my dog's grumble that he plays with, that he ended up breaking today. So awesome. Okay, and that's it. Alright, I'll show you once the tape is off and how good it looks. Alright, it's finally dried. So before I take the tape off, I'm going to put on the hooks so I can hang it. And there it is. And now I'm gonna hang it. So here we go. Okay, so I just finished painting it. You saw me take all the tape off and everything, and it looks great. And I just hung it, so here we go. How cool. So pretty. I'm gonna put all my crystals right here. Here's the final result. All my crystals, incense. Okay guys, that's it. Say hi there. That is it for this video. I'm definitely gonna be doing some more like things around my house and thrifting, so keep updated with that. My next project is probably gonna be painting those other like frames I got and painting my walls and when I get my couch, so that's exciting. I'll see you guys later. Bye.